Una welcome, welcome for BBTV, Bija Benjamin TV. And welcome all of una, whether na morning or afternoon or even for which country una day, una welcome. Today we therefore say it as it is, PG News. We don't bring una different types of news them. This place that for here we need the fear face. For here we take the truth. Any 2 in 1 year for this outside there, come now for BBTV, you go hear the truth about every situation because for here we go tell una the truth. We know they mix our word. A na A, B na B. Husband na husband, girlfriend na girlfriend. We na understand. So now, I want to tell you now, this thing they happen for community. A lot of things that they happen for community now we don't tire. Our young girls they not be safe. Our children not be safe. Now wait till they go on. Now really wait till we go talk say depression is real. We know they understand what they happen. Why pedophile they don't multiply for this outside. Pedophile they don't multiply for this outside. Just of recent, when I see for social media now only rape little girls in 5 years, 4 years. Now so they even rape boys so men they don't rape even boys. So for today we go carry una go for Sierra Leone. Because una for Sierra Leone won't take una go for so one situation where it happen for Sierra Leone day where they did the whole social media. Now the beautiful girl be this. When I see this beautiful girl, see this small nice pikin, small nice pikin. This stupid cousin of his own, or cousin of the call and go rape this pikin. When I see he rape this child, so this child go die. And when the situation of the year for social media and I say this very cousin be don't rape the senior sister for this pikin, and the mama go cover him. The mama go treat the senior sister be 8 years, cover him. You see what will happen. So today we don't want to tell all of you now. We are there out there that they face this situation for rape. Especially I don't notice them. Say most of the time them where papa for house go rape pikin for house. The wife go cover him because she go talk say oh and he go bring shame for family, go bring this. This one not be shame for family. Oh. Any woman, if you do for house or your husband, they rape you, any of your children, that man need to go prison. And the man need you not need for divorce the man because he go do worse things like that than that. So no, they should not for one place say people say that the shame for talk when the shame the woman go say oh he want save he married. You save your marriage under the detriment for your own children. Now who's kind of married to you won't save her? Say this little child now where he go die. Say beautiful pikin like this way he die. And the good thing where I like about this story now, say their first lady for Sierra Leone, she don't get up, she did do live video. She did talk about that. She said justice. She don't go hand off our girls. Hand off our girls. Now thing that way she did do for all the men there for Sierra Leone. Hand off our girls. So now a program where she get up for Sierra Leone. Now why I say when I follow her for Facebook, when I go see everything where first lady for Sierra Leone don't stand up to do. So we go tell una, so I go take una go for Cameroon because these same cases them they happen even inside Cameroon. All these cases they happen all over the world. But I guess some few cases for Cameroon where I go bring her out today because I want me Cameroonians they know where they fit go get help. Because most of the time as well Cameroon first lady don't talk now. At least Sierra Leone that first lady talk. Cameroon first lady don't talk. So I want to take Cameroonians where they fit go get help. Picking the girls who they find themselves into those situations where they fit go get help. So I go bring una some cases there for Cameroon too where they don't rape them. Little girls for Cameroon too where they did for this very situation where men they don't rape them. The time God said those ones I go show now they no die. You don't see? Now one small girl that way they rape you. How man picking go do rape this kind picking where it's small like this? What do you did think for your head where you go rape this kind of small picking? This one happen for Cameroon. Where you go rape the kind? See now another one be that. Now only picking the way people you men they just rape them small children. All you those men now women we not begin the cover una men them. We not begin the cover una men them. We not the cover una boy picking them when they do commit this type of crime. We not begin the cover them because now a demonic thing. Now demonic thing within inside them. And we not continue to cover until they go do worse. When people don't die now, everybody you see now, if that woman be report, the woman for Sierra Leone be report that he pikin say he raped that first daughter. This second case for happen, so the pikin die na die. So would advise everybody, especially Cameroonians, would they talk for una? Girls then they with their uncle they don't rape them. One then they with their papa then they rape them. So if you boy then they with a big men that they rape una. If you there for any situation where they rape you, where you not be comfortable, you don't talk for your mama no one listening to you. I go bring una one lawyer for Cameroon where she dey fight this case where I go bring Marie. I go bring Marie for una. Me everybody see Marie na Marie this. Présentez-vous, madame. When I see Marie, you feel follow her for Facebook, Marie A. Abanga. You feel follow her for Facebook, Marry the fight. For any girl child when they rape her inside Cameroon, whether it be boy child or if it girl child, if you the fear your family them, you the fear say you no get person who go cover you, you the fear say you no get shelter, you the fear say maybe they go disown you if you go talk for outside there. Find Marie, she get go meet her, tell her the situation. Tell her the situation where you go. If you like, say, contact me myself for social media, PJ Benjamin, for social media. Tell us, I go direct you for Marie. So that you go for Marie. Marie go fight your case. She be lawyer inside Cameroon. She go fight your case. Since first lady for Cameroon, no, they talk anything about all this rape where they go up for inside Cameroon, upside down. Marie day, she go fight any case for any, no matter how giant where the man day, no matter the connection where the man get inside Cameroon, where if he say nothing come down, Marie go fight that man till the end. I clap for you, my sister. They work where you work for all this speaking there for Cameroon where they rape there. We see the wonderful things where you do, and we pray that God will continue for give you that strength, make you continue for do this type of great job where you do for save our girls. We want to tell every man picking say hand off our girls. Hand up our girls. This time we go take am more serious than before. Any man picking will go rape, whether you been a small boy, you go rape a girl, you go prison, no matter the age. You go prison. All those demonic spirits there, if it also you don't feel control yourself, if you find out some men they might not even understand when I get wife for house, when I go still go to work out rape with children, and some women they are too dull, and all these women they want me I don't talk say me take leg. The worst way if you do for yourself as a woman, I mean take leg of a man, not make your brain scatter. Take leg of a man make you useless. Most women they're useless out there because the take leg of a man don't make them useless. Because I don't see why when man go rape my pikin and then me I go she don't cover you. Cover you for what? Cover you for what? If you not be fit cover, if the man not be fit cover you take leg, why not me I won't come cover you? So every woman where you out there, if you one of that woman, the way you cover this kind of bad case, they will go discover you go join the man, go prison. Like how the mama for that boy for Sierra Leone don't join and go prison. So now the thing that would want tell you today. So would you thank Marie for the wonderful thing you do, and would you tell men they say hand off our girls. Any man will go say and we rape girl, no matter the age, will go take you go worse. In life, Joseph, life in prison will go fight you to the end. All these men when they feel say they get money, they the one where she don't talk girls their head, will go fight you to the end, will go make you know so that your money be useless. Thank you now all for watching. We thank you now for today. As soon as I don't watch this program, I hope say you don't educate some people them. If you never subscribe for BJ Benjamin TV, go on YouTube, go subscribe, follow us on Facebook for BBTV on Facebook, and make sure you watch our movies on BBTV online. Thank you all. Bye. Okay, last one, I beg, make I go.